Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the destination and permissions so the backup will succeed. First, check available disk space and network share reachability, because insufficient space causes failure. Once done, confirm the SQL Server service account or credentials can write to that path. Permissions are a common blocker. Finally, decide whether you need a full backup now versus differential or transaction log backups to support point-in-time recovery. This choice affects backup size and restore complexity. You execute the backup using TSQL or the GUI to create a reliable file. If you use TSQL, run backup database with appropriate options, format or init to control media, compression to save space, and copy only when avoiding log chain changes. Make sure you target the correct file path and include checksum for validation. Once the manual run succeeds, automate the job with SQL Server Agent or Task Scheduler to maintain consistent backups without manual intervention. You finish by verifying and protecting the backups so they are usable when needed. Immediately test a restore on a dev server to validate integrity and estimate recovery time. A backup that won't restore is useless. Then, copy backups offsite or to cloud storage to survive hardware failures or site disasters. Finally, secure backup files with strict NTFS permissions and encryption at rest to prevent data exposure. If a restore fails, check permissions, path typos, or insufficient space as the first troubleshooting steps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.